Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, as well as the usual machining and welding, I pay a visit to a company called Extreme Engineering. Extreme Engineering are the company that build the plasma table I use. They also did all the embroidery work and they did the cups as well for my YouTube channel, which incidentally are still for sale. I did say I would mention that are still for sale. There's a link on the front of the video, so if you want to go and buy a hat, a t-shirt, a cup, whatever you want, I'm sure you'll find them there. I went down there basically to get some video of how the plasma tables are assembled, because everything's done in house, it's all made in house. I put a little video clip in tonight's nightcap, just photographs showing the various stages. There will be a series of videos all about the manufacture and assembly of the plasma tables, testing them, cutting them, how they work, basically how to use them. Anyway, I'd like to take this opportunity, Rob, to thank you very much for your hospitality. I did take Deborah down with us and we had a fantastic time. It was a real good laugh. My friend Lee and his brother paid a visit yesterday. His brother had his two little lads with him and they really wanted to be on YouTube, so I let them do the draw for the Sierra Cosworth in left or right hand drive, depending on which way you look at it.
Hi, my name is Lewis.
Hi, my name is James.
And today we're doing tonight's draw. We're on Ashby.
Excellent, spot on, so that was good, yeah. Right lads, that was great, thanks very much for that. All you need to do is send me an email with your address on and I'll get this posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway this week. This time it's for a Modern Right 2-inch micrometer, quite a nice one, in a box with a setting bar and the two distance spanners. I'll get a close-up shot of that a little bit later on. As usual, if you want to enter the draw, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and all I need is your name, your full name like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket. If it's pulled out, it gets posted off. And that 2-inch micrometer was given to me to be given away. I don't need it. I've already got one that I use, and when it's too good to use, it's just put another one in the drawer. If you do win it and you don't want it, give it to somebody that can use it. Right, that's a nice 1 to 2-inch micrometer, Modern Right, in good condition. Ratchet works, all the bits and pieces are there with it. Certainly well worth trying to win. I'm sure it's obvious to anybody what this is. It's a control spool valve of a Marshall steam traction engine governor. It's 100-year-old. I hope it's made of bronze, not brass. It looks like bronze. What's happened is this little locating lug here has worn away. It's been broken at some time and been repaired there, but this little locating lug's worn away. What I need to do is build that up. If it's bronze, I can weld it. I can weld it on AC and hopefully build that up. If I burn it off, I'll just have to make a new one and silver solder it on. But I should have to build that up with bronze. That one's not too bad, but this one's, it is badly worn away and needs wood in case it snaps off. So I'm going to clean it up, set the TIG welder up on AC and have a go at repairing it really. It's obviously can't go to the shop and get another one. But I think with a little bit of care I should be able to build that up and do some of it anyway. It certainly looks like bronze. It's not a brass colour. You can't sort of TIG weld brass because the zinc boils out of it and it just turns to mush. But we'll try and straighten it up and then see what happens. trickiest thing in the world, but at least it is made of bronze, and it is welding up to a certain degree. And that's not just stuck on there, it's actually fused into it. It is a proper weld. That's where it's going to go, actually. And just build up on there to be able to make it the same as that one anyway. I don't think I should build that one up as well and let him, because that's warm there. Let him dress it up with a file or whatever size he wants. This is the welder I use. It's an Ortec AXT 260 AC/DC. The setting I'm using for welding is bronze, and I've played around, experimented until I got that. That's 100 amps. I didn't use 100 amps. The AC balance, I've got that set at 10. Normally for welding aluminium I'd use 40, but I use 10 for the bronze. Frequency 100 Hz, no downslope. End amps 5, that's as low as it goes. Post flow, that's gas that comes out of the torch when you stop welding. I've got that set to 12 seconds. That's not wasting gas, that's important. It shields the tungsten as well as the weld. Go back to the beginning. Start pre. I've got no pre-flow because I'm using the foot pedal. Start amps 25, so I get a nice clean start. We're back to our upslope, no upslope, as I'm using the pedal. Welding amps 100 amps. That's memory 6. Now I would have saved that because it did work quite well. So you press save. It goes green. So that's saved that number. I've saved that to number 6. I've got a little board I'll write on that number 6 welds bronze quite well. Right, so that has brazed up quite nicely, or welded up quite nicely. I'm just going to use a file to get it back into shape. I had thought to put it in the lathe, but there's nothing sort of running through. Just slowly and gently file away until that face is level with the top of the body. And the material's the same sort of colour, so it was definitely bronze, because if you try and weld brass it just blows itself apart. And that repair, well, that's been so that they've been doing probably with oxyacetylene, you know, as when that was the last person that worked on this. It'll have been a long time ago. But he wish they had a TIG welding set to repair it with. Right, and that's starting to look sort of like it should look, I would imagine. Using a file with a safe edge on, that's a smooth face on there, so we don't want to take any material off that part. Just gently working away at it. Very slippy material this. This is a really good quality file. When I'm only putting pressure on the file on the forward stroke, I'm not just pulling it backwards and forwards. See how slippy it is? I think I'll leave it at that and let him hand fit it to his engine when he gets it back, but it's a lot better than it was.
Trim it in there, stuff. It's up there. There's your finished presentation. And that's it. And we just wait for it to cook.